Welcome back to, or welcome to, Cooking with Pouncy, guys. It's been a while, and we're getting ready to rock and roll again with another dish here with Cooking with Pouncy. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If it's your first time, thank you so much. And you guys, if you would, please hit that like button if you like what you see. Tell me what you think as well. Pass this on as you see fit. Tonight, I'm going to do a hamburger configuration that I saw a little while back. I'll give credit to the person that I saw that prepared the dish, and we'll move on and try to get this together. I've already washed and shredded my lettuce, which is here. I thought I'd put some, this wasn't in it, but I think I'll put some red onions on there as well. Here's my tomatoes I've already sliced up. It's my hamburger buns. I'm going to be toasting these buns here. I saw it toasted in the same pan the meat was cooked in, and the meat was still in there. Kind of freaked me out, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some ranch dressing to it as well. And again, I also saw the adobo seasoning, the all-purpose adobo in that recipe as well. I got some Sazon here too. I'm going to use a little bit of this, a little bit of each one of these, I guess, okay? And then I'm going to have as well, obviously, some cheese. This happens to be mild cheddar cheese here, okay? So I'm going to be blending that in there too. I'll move the camera to the range so you can see this process come together, and I'll be back in just a little bit. I'm going to start putting my seasoning in there now, though, guys. Let's just do that, okay? Let's just do that. And I'm going to start out with my adobo. Let's just put some of that in there. And amount to your taste. All right. And we're going to put some Sazon in there as well. Does that sound interesting, guys? To your taste. Okay, might add more once I taste it, once I get done mixing it all up here. And I'm going to do some ranch dressing as well. And I think that's going to be enough of that. And a lot of that moisture is in there too, guys, as you may be able to see that. Some of that's going to cook out, of course, as I'm putting this together. I know that it will, because it'll just evaporate because of the heat. And I'm glad of that, because it'd be pretty wet hamburger otherwise, right? Okay, I got enough heat. I got it on high here too, guys. And I got it on high because I'm standing right here manning the fort while it's cooking. I don't want to walk away and leave it there. Let's get to see this to the end here. And I'm going to cook it done. We don't want a medium rare ground up hamburger on a bun. I see an awful lot of fat coming out of this meat, even though it said 80-20. And I'm going to take a paper towel, because it's pretty wet there. I think you might be able to see that, guys, okay? It's pretty wet. I'm going to absorb some of that fat in a paper towel just momentarily before I put my cheese in. I didn't see that person doing that, but I'm going to do that, guys, and I think you might agree. Okay, as I tilt that pan, that's what we should do, okay? And again, I'm going to taste it a little bit first and see what happens here. Let's just taste it. It's got good flavor. Yeah, it's got good flavor. All right, again, I'm going to grab a couple of paper towels and absorb some of that fat. Okay, guys. All right, guys, we're coming with the cheese. Again, 99% of what you see is what I saw as well. So let's just do the cheese deal. Let's just do the cheese deal. Be careful, don't be dropping that cheese on your burner, guys, because that'll make a mess, okay? And I got a pretty good handful of cheese right there, okay? And a little more, another smidget right there, okay? Let's just let that be enough for the cheese. And we're going to take our bun, and we're going to put our bun in there. Okay, and guess what? I need a little bit of fat. That's what we're going to do here. All right, we'll put that one there, and we'll put that one right there. I got another bun to go. I'm just blending the cheese in there, guys, as you can see. Okay. And the cheese is sort of holding that together too, guys, right? So that when you put it on the bun, it doesn't fall all apart. All right. All right, I move that off. Get that bun toasted. I'm going to turn it back up a little bit. So I hope it gets a little color on that bun. I want to move that over so maybe I can get another piece, another half of that bun, half of the other bun rather, in there too. It's a pretty large skillet here, guys, so let's just do that, okay? Tell you, cooking with Pouncy is more than innovative, aren't I? That's what we're going to do right there, guys, okay? Looks pretty good so far. And we're going to be putting this together here shortly too, guys, as you know, because we're almost done with it. Incredible smell too, guys. It smells really, really good. Okay? I'm going to let that be and stop putzing around with it because it's done. And as I told you, it's pretty quick, pretty easy meal too. Pretty quick. Done with the seasoning. I just kind of moved that out of the way. We're ready to put this together. All right, I'm going to take my buns. Get toasted around the edge, but that's okay. All right? Just do a bun. Okay. All right. Turn that down. I think we're done. I'm going to turn that off, guys. We're done. Okay, it's got some color on it as well. So does that one. Okay. All right, guys. We're going to be moving this over. Okay, guys. Here we are. Here we are, guys. Here we go. There goes our shredded lettuce here. Let's do that. I think I'll put the slices of tomato down first, baby. What do you think? Okay, let's put that tomato down first, and then let's put our lettuce on top of that. All right. Let's just do that. Okay. Interesting, huh, guys? Yeah, you guys might have made this already about 500 times, for God's sake. I got excited when I saw it the other day. Not longer than that, a week ago maybe or so, okay? So, it looked pretty good to me. Like I said, it looked kind of messy, but I think it's going to be good. It's kind of like a sloppy Joe, for God's sakes. All right. All right, so let's take this wonderful mixture. And again, the cheese is actually holding it together, which is good. Let's just do that. Cool. Cool, guys. Cool. No, it's falling all over. Get back on there now. Let's go again. You guys notice here, I'm actually holding it and molding it as I put it on there, because that cheese is really holding it together, right? That's pretty good. So, cooking with Pouncy, I don't like the sloppy plates, and it's getting control pretty good there, because I got to give it to the cheese. The cheese is doing the trick in hanging, holding it together so it doesn't fall all apart, like pieces are falling off there. But again, this is going to be the presentation, guys. I don't know what you'd serve with it. I don't know, some chips or something maybe. I don't think you need anything if you don't want to. I'm done putting the meat on there, so that's going to go together. All right, guys, here it is. It looks very, very good. Very attractive plate, guys. There's the presentation, if you would. I've got, of course, some fruit on there, some blueberries and mango there. You can use, of course, the fruit of your choice when you, or if you decide to do this for yourself and your family. It looks really good, really tasty looking, smelling really good, and we're going to be having this for supper, guys. So again, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking with Pouncy. If you like what you see, please hit that like button. I'd really appreciate that, guys, if you like what you see. And tell me what you think as well, guys. Pass this on as you see fit. And again, we'll see you next time. Thank you so much for tuning in. Good night.